Welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. When it comes to keeping your car wash running smoothly, the right tools can make all the difference. At Sonny's Car Wash College, we spent over 140 years combined in the industry and managed over 200 locations. So we know what it takes to keep operations efficient and repairs seamless. That's why we've carefully selected these specialty tools designed for the toughest, most demanding repairs. These are some of the tools that Sonny's experts utilize and recommend on a daily basis. So are you ready to advance your operations? Shop now or expedite the mastery of these specialized tools by enrolling in one of our college classes. We're excited to see you add to your skill set and toolbox and can't wait to see the results you achieve. That's all for now, and as always, good luck and good washing.